We are at 6626 West Monona, Glendale, Arizona. Beautiful remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Fully landscaped front and back with a watering system. Front entry. Has white shutters throughout the house. In all the bedrooms as well. Some light colored vinyl plank flooring. The kitchen has a nice island. Refrigerator, dishwasher, gas stove, microwave. This is the family room. It does have a fireplace. That's a gas fireplace. Back to the bedroom area. Bedroom number 1. Hall bath. Got a tub with a shower installed. Bedroom number 2. This is the primary bedroom. Lots of space throughout. Primary bath. Separate tub and shower. Has a marble type flooring. Large walk-in closet. Double sinks. Laundry room with washer and dryer. And this is the double garage. And it does have some nice built-in cabinetry along that wall. Lots of storage. To the rear yard. Has a covered patio the full length of the house. Some fruit trees. Nice plantings. A shade tree there in the corner. $6626 West Monona.